Over at Game I Truck Camper Shell looked at, come across these beauties. Look how nice this thing is. Other than a few odds and ends that I'm noticing, but nothing is perfect. Just look at this thing. Cold River Distribution Co. LC10, 1966. Aftermarket gauges and such. Like that touch. Those old consoles. Nice little 350 in there. 1971. Ooh-wee. This one's been pulled apart a little bit. Ooh, cracked tail light. Just a nice fleet of gorgeous vehicles.